Looking for the best iron for clothes but not sure which one is actually worth buying? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best irons for clothes you can get right now. I'll compare steam performance, ease of use, durability, and overall value so you can find the right iron to make ironing faster, easier, and more effective. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Qi Steam Iron for Clothes with Vertical Steam Burst, Professional Grade, Titanium Ceramic Soleplate, 400 plus steam holes, 1700 watts, 3-way auto shutoff, 8-foot cord. The Qi Steam Iron is a premium clothing iron designed for people who want professional quality results at home. It's best known for its titanium ceramic soleplate, over 400 steam holes, and powerful 1700 watt heating system that delivers consistent steam for removing stubborn wrinkles. Whether you're ironing business shirts, dresses, jeans, or household linens, it offers fast, even performance that saves time. In everyday use, the Qi Steam Iron heats up quickly and glides smoothly across most fabrics. The vertical steam burst is especially useful for freshening hanging garments, suits, curtains, or delicate fabrics without needing an ironing board. The 3-way auto shutoff adds extra peace of mind if the iron is accidentally left unattended, while the long 8-foot cord provides better flexibility around the ironing board. The biggest strengths are its strong steam output, excellent soleplate, and professional feel. However, it's slightly heavier than many budget irons, which some users may notice during longer ironing sessions. Overall, the Qi Steam Iron is an excellent choice for American households that iron frequently and want powerful steam, dependable performance, and high-quality results on a wide variety of fabrics. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Steam Iron for Clothes with Retractable Cord, Vertical Steaming, Anti-Drip Design, Spray Mist and Auto Clean Button, 1200W. The Black Plus Decker Steam Iron is a practical and affordable option for everyday ironing. It's best known for its retractable cord, lightweight design, and user-friendly features that make clothing care simple and convenient. For many American households, it's a dependable choice for keeping work clothes, school uniforms, and everyday outfits wrinkle-free. The 1200 watt heating system provides enough power for routine ironing, while the vertical steam function allows you to remove light wrinkles from hanging clothes and curtains. Features like the anti-drip system help prevent water spots on fabrics, and the spray mist function tackles stubborn wrinkles more effectively. The built-in auto-clean feature also helps reduce mineral buildup, making long-term maintenance easier. Its retractable cord is one of its biggest advantages, allowing for quick, clutter-free storage after each use. However, compared to higher-end irons, it produces less steam and may require extra passes on heavier fabrics like denim or thick cotton. Overall, the Black Plus Decker Steam Iron is a solid choice for American buyers looking for an affordable, reliable iron that handles everyday laundry needs while offering convenient storage and easy operation. Number 3. Omega Cordless Iron for Clothes, 1500W Wireless Steam Iron with Ceramic Soleplate, 360-degree power base, auto shut-off, self-clean, anti-calc, 3 temperature settings, 11.84-ounce water tank. The Omega Cordless Steam Iron is designed for people who want greater freedom while ironing without constantly managing a power cord. It's best known for its cordless operation, 1500 watt heating system, ceramic soleplate, and 360-degree charging base, making it a convenient choice for busy households. Whether you're ironing work clothes, school uniforms, or household linens, the cordless design allows smoother movement around the ironing board. In everyday use, the ceramic soleplate glides easily across most fabrics while providing even heat distribution. The cordless design makes it easier to iron large garments like dresses, curtains, or tablecloths without the cord getting in the way. Features such as auto shut-off, self-cleaning, anti-calc protection, and adjustable temperature settings help improve both safety and long-term performance. The biggest advantage is the flexibility of cordless ironing, but users should remember that the iron must be returned to its charging base periodically to maintain heat during longer sessions. Overall, the Omega Cordless Steam Iron is an excellent choice for American buyers who value convenience, mobility, and modern safety features in their everyday ironing routine. Number 4. Presteem Steam Station Max Ceramic Soleplate Steam Iron for Clothes 1500W, 50.7-ounce removable water tank, fast heat-up self-clean, auto shut-off, professional iron steamer for ironing. The Presteem Steam Station Max is built for households that regularly handle large amounts of ironing. It's best known for its 1,500-watt heating system, large removable 50.7-ounce water tank, and powerful continuous steam output that reduces frequent refills during extended ironing sessions. For everyday use, this steam station works especially well on dress shirts, bedding, curtains, tablecloths, and other larger fabrics. The ceramic soleplate glides smoothly over clothing while the strong steam output helps remove stubborn wrinkles quickly. Its large water tank is a major advantage for families who iron multiple loads at once, allowing longer sessions without interruption. Fast heat-up time, self-cleaning, and automatic shut-off also make the iron easier and safer to use. While the powerful steam system delivers excellent performance, the overall unit is larger than a standard steam iron and requires more storage space, making it less ideal for small apartments. Overall, the PerSteam Steam Station Max is a great choice for American households that iron frequently and want faster, more efficient wrinkle removal with fewer interruptions for refilling water. Number 5. Rowenta Iron Focus Excellent Stainless Steel Soleplate Steam Iron for Clothes, Retractable Cord, 400 plus micro steam holes, powerful steam, LED display, 1750W ironing clothes, cord reel, red DW5433. The Rowenta Focus Excellent Steam Iron is a premium appliance designed for buyers who want professional quality ironing performance at home. It's best known for its 1,750-watt heating power, stainless steel soleplate with over 400 micro steam holes, and powerful steam output that easily handles everything from delicate fabrics to heavy cotton garments. In everyday use, the stainless steel soleplate glides smoothly while distributing steam evenly for faster wrinkle removal. The high steam output is especially effective on dress shirts, suits, jeans, linens, and other thick fabrics. The retractable cord makes storage quick and convenient, while the LED display allows easy temperature selection. Automatic shutoff provides added peace of mind if the iron is accidentally left unattended. Its biggest strengths are exceptional steam performance, durable construction, and consistent results. However, it's slightly heavier than basic steam irons, which some users may notice during long ironing sessions. Overall, the Rowenta Focus Excellence is an outstanding option for American buyers who iron regularly and want premium steam performance, excellent durability, and professional quality results in their home laundry routine. Those are my picks for the top 5 best irons for clothes. Some offer more powerful steam, while others focus on lightweight design, smoother gliding, or better value. The best choice depends on how often you iron and the features that matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.